undelivered faxes. This function allows you to refax your undelivered faxes. You can choose to refax, delete the fax job, or change the recipient before sending again. To begin, press the Services Home button and the main screen will be displayed. Press Setup on the right-hand side of the Services Home screen. Press Stored Programming. Press Store and select the available slot of the stored programming. You will hear a beeping sound. This is to alert that the recording has started. Press the Job Status button on the machine panel and select Secure Print Jobs and more. Select Undelivered Faxes. Press the green Start button or the Clear All button on the control panel to end the registration. The steps will be stored